The Congress government in Rajasthan is on a sticky wicket. Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot has told India Today that he will not attend that crucial legislative meet that's been called by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot in Jaipur. The meet is at 10:30 this morning. The Rajasthan Congress has said that strict disciplinary action will be taken against those MLAs who do not turn up for today's legislative meet. Pilot is claiming the support of at least 30 MLAs and clarified that he did not meet Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi. However, on the other side, you've got Gehlot, who claims that he have backed Gehlot and asked Sachin Pilot to go back to Jaipur and work under Gehlot's leadership.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी या उसके किसी साथी को बगैर कारण खुश होने की आवश्यकता नहीं। कांग्रेस पार्टी इकट्ठी है, इकट्ठी रहेगी और कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार इसी प्रकार से राजस्थान की जनता की सेवा में अपना कार्यकाल पूरा करेगी। धन्यवाद।
Is the BJP using that? I think they are using unfair means to crack down the government. I think we are in majority. I respect him, Sachin ji, and I think he will not take such decision. If he takes, I will be with the party. I will with the party. Party is like my mother, so I cannot kill my mother. In politics, there are differences. It's very normal. You cannot take anything. But High Command should, eliminate all these problems which is going on.
Munish Pandey is joining us live this morning from the ITC Hotel in Manesar, where several MLAs from Rajasthan are currently camping. Munish, good morning. I want to understand from you how many MLAs are currently at the hotel where you are, and also if you've received any communication from them or whether they intend to attend that legislative party meet.
Yeah, well, Akshita, to give a basic understanding, this hotel is in Manesar, and if they need to reach Jaipur, they had to leave by 5 o'clock this morning, because it takes almost 4 to 5 hours from here to Jaipur. But none of the MLAs have, left from their hotel room. Now, as far as the number of MLAs are concerned, we have been given to understand is that at least 13 to 14 MLAs are still inside this ITC hotel in Manesar, and there has been communication of these MLAs with Sachin Pilot, but there is no official words from the Congress party, from Jaipur, or whether from the High Command that whether these MLAs are in touch with the central leadership or not. So what we have been given to understand is that the meeting will take place around 10:30, but these MLAs will not be participating. It means that these MLAs who have pledged their support to Sachin Pilot will be in this hotel, and only by 10:30 the picture will be clear that finally what are the numbers which the Congress has and what are the numbers which Sachin Pilot has.
Absolutely. Munish, stay with us. Some breaking news also coming in now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.